Hi everyone, I'm Marshall Carper, and welcome to Marketing with Video Games, brought to you by MegaCat Studios.
MegaCat.
So if you missed it, Wendy's released a tabletop role-playing game. So if you're not super familiar with that genre, think Dungeons and Dragons, sitting around a table, rolling dice. There's a game master that's guiding the adventure. Wendy's released their own tabletop materials, so you can go download them for free and check out this creative that goes around it. This is some incredible artwork. This is not a flash in the pan quick gimmick. They put a lot of time and a lot of craft into this, which I think is part of the reasons why it seems to have resonated with tabletop players. It seemed to have generated a good bit of conversation within the gaming community because it is pretty well done. And this is the next in a line of some pretty offbeat stuff that Wendy's has done. The Wendy's social media account has gotten to be pretty iconic at this point for being off the cuff, a little uncouth at times, and that's generated a lot of conversation for the Wendy's brand. And this game is another step forward in that. So tabletop role-playing game sounds like a very niche audience, but it's actually expanded in recent years. There's been a lot more interest in tabletop role-playing, both on Twitch and YouTube. It's because it's driven a pretty big tabletop renaissance. And in this particular story, you're fighting against frozen beef. So basically you're fighting McDonald's. And they've then reused these art assets in a lot of different places. So for example, I saw this D&D Wendy's character pop up on a Giphy arcade, so another form of video game. It's been a part of their ads, been the centerpiece of a bunch of ad campaigns. They've used this one game, this one tabletop experience to drive a bunch of interactions for the brand and generate a lot of interesting conversations. So there's a lot that can go into this, but they kept with a pretty strong idea and blossomed it from there. And I think there's a lot of things that your brand can learn from this also. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.